In this video, we will learn how to use count a function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data with the heading customer ID, customer name, account types, and account number. Here I am using the count a function on account number column. So in account number have some account number mentioned and some are is blank and some are in mentioned the text not available. So I'm using here count a function to count only non-empty cells. So let's start how it's done. Just enter the is equal to count a, count a, tab, select the full cell and just bracket close. 7. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, those are cell is a non-empty. It means those cell is empty. It's not count in count a function. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.